Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add items to your wish list on eBay. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your eBay app on your phone. Now from over here you will find this kind of interface, right? I'm going to go to my home, and originally my home section would look like this. Now what you gotta do is, first thing first, you're gonna go to your my eBay and you will be able to check out your list over here. If you don't know how to create, then tap on this list over here, tap on new list, and you will be able to create yourself a new list by adding in the name over here. For example, this could be the name, and tap on create and your list will be created. You can tap on added items and I will simply show you the originally added only. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to home. You're gonna go to the search bar. You can simply choose a category from over here and go ahead, choose the one that you would want to purchase. Once you have the item that you would like to purchase, tap on it and scroll down a bit, and then you will find this three option: buy it now, add to cart, add the option, and add to watch list. Tap on add to watch list and then tap on add to list. Then from over here, choose the list that you would like it to be added. I'm going to choose this one that we had just created. It has been added. I'm gonna go back and then at the home screen again, tap on my eBay. You will find your product listed right over here as well. Tap on cancel and you can simply tap on J of your list. For that, you can simply go back again, tap on watch list and tap on list over here and choose your list to check out your separate list with the separate item over here, and you can choose to simply check out with it. So hope this video helped you all. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.